My name is Roger Wiens. I am a professor of planetary science at Purdue University. This is probably the most exciting discovery from Mars that we have ever made. And because it is the first of real strong potential biosignature. And we use the word potential, we don't use the word biosignature, because there are other possibilities for how it could have been produced, but on Earth it's usually life. And so that's why we are very, very interested in this. What we found there are what we call, on the Earth's rock record, reduction spots. And these are little, they can sometimes look like bleach spots in the rocks because they often are whiter or lighter colored. And what they hold is iron that is reduced. Iron that is red tends to be a +3. It is usually heavily oxidized, and an iron that is reduced is a lower ionization state. And that lower state is something that the microbes on Earth will use the change in ionization state to, or valence state, to actually get energy from the molecules, from the minerals, and that's how they live. So we found these reduction spots on Mars that are actually rimmed by phosphate. And phosphates are also a key thing for life, and something that can be concentrated by single-celled microbes there as well. And not only did we find that, but we found the evidence that there is actually organic material in general in these rocks here, and we didn't find that anywhere else, basically along the whole traverse of the rover. So the confluence of all of this information in this one location is very exciting for us. We have never discovered reduction spots on Mars before, and so this is a first discovery for Mars, especially these spots that are rimmed with phosphates. And I'm a member of the SHERLOC instrument team that actually catalogs whether there are organic materials there. And we were a little bit skeptical in general of this instrument because it cannot positively identify organics at the levels, at the very low levels that we have only seen it elsewhere on Mars. So we thought this instrument might be a null hypothesis instrument for the whole mission, even if there are some organics there. But there's so much organic material here that we did see it very clearly with this instrument called SHERLOC. And that's very exciting. Beyond that, then we saw these reduction spots in the same place. So the confluence of these is really exciting. One of the things we have to make clear is that these are potential biosignatures. There are possible other explanations for them, and so we have to kind of really check those out too. But when we put all of the facts together, one of the most likely possible explanations is that of a biosignature in the ancient record on Mars. And so we call these potential biosignatures. But it's the closest we've come to finding something like this outside of Earth.